Hello everybody, my name's Doug and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. As you can see, I have a jewelry jar here in my hands that I want to open today, but I'm going to open it, but I'm going to sell it also because this is one of those things where when I was out in the wild looking, I was at an antique mall, this was sitting on one of the vendor booth shelves. It's just under 3 pounds. It was marked wearable and craft costume, and it's $24.99. I thought there were some pretty kind of cool things in here, and I figured I know a lot of you are crafters out there, and maybe there may be something in here that you like. I don't know what's in here. I don't know what is craft. I don't know what is wearable, but again, curiosity killed the cat. So I thought I'd like to open it, and we'll put like whatever is wearable, we'll put on one side, whatever is craft, we'll put on the other side. And yeah, and then the first person in the chat who says that they want to purchase the jar, then I will go ahead and ship it to them. So I think oh, that was easy. I need that easy button from Staples. Wow. Okay, so there is, okay, cool. All right, let's check this out. I'm gonna dump it all out. But anyway, like I was saying, the first person who says they want it in the chat, then go ahead and put, I want it, and then I will send you an invoice for via PayPal. It'll be for the $25 plus shipping. It is 3 pounds. Because of the weight, I would probably do a U.S.P.S, a small flat rate box, or if you want it in the jar, I can put it all back in the jar, and this can go into a 6x6x6 box, but I'm afraid that it'll jiggle too much, so I don't know, but I'm thinking shipping will probably be discounted. It's probably gonna be $8 or $9, okay? So let's just look and see what we have here. So again, if you want to buy this, then it is $24.99. Where's the sticker? What did I do with the tape? I don't know where the tape went. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it was $24.99. So $25 plus $8, $9 shipping. That's what I'll invoice for. Okay, that's what we have here. First glance, anyway, we can look and see what we find is what's craft and what's wearable. And we'll put wearable over here and craft over here. Okay, we have a nice little, well, this is a pin. This is wearable, but personally, I think this is more craft. So I'm gonna put this over on the craft side. This is a heavy gold tone. This is a lot of the 3 pounds right there. Just a chunky chain link. There's nothing really fancy about this other than it's a heavy chunky chain, but that's wearable, so I'll put that over there. There was no loss on that. Here we have a beautiful brooch. Looks great on that side. And okay, so I'm not sure if that was supposed to be wearable and then it got loose in the jar, but that is loose, so that would have to be straightened. I'm gonna put that in the craft side. I hope you guys are doing well today. We have rain and overcast skies for the next couple of days, and actually I'm very happy about that because we definitely need some rain and some moisture in the air out here. All right, this is a silver tone bracelet. This looks new, fashion. But that's wearable, I'll put that there. These are plastic or acrylic beads. The chain is in great shape. There's no, yeah, I'm not sure. That's a wearable piece, okay. You know what, that's an earring. I'll put the earring to the side. Here we have, this looks wearable too. Any missing stones? Is that a missing stone right there? Yep. One tiny missing stone right there. So that's going to go over into the craft lot. Here we have a hat brooch, not a brooch, a pendant. That's craft. That seems nice. What is this? Mark George. Come down here and, there are two missing stones there. So that will go into craft as well. This is a memory wire bracelet. Nice pretty beads. What is that marked? There's a hang tag. Rocky? Never heard of that. But that's nice. That is wearable. So that'll go over in the wearable side. These look like two malachite beads, but obviously that's craft. So I'll put that there. This is a brooch. Okay, that's missing that on this side. Yeah, you can see right there the connection. Truthfully, I'd probably pop that one off. I'd pop that one off and just make it symmetrical. That's what I do. But anyway, so that's another craft piece. Okay, so you got a lot of, looks like there's a lot of bling craft in here, which is actually, it's good for crafters. Here we have a scarf clip. I don't see anything wrong with that. The gold is still intact. We'll put that over there. Clinique. It's a pin. That's craft. Here we have a stick pin. Nothing is wrong with that. The gray, the gold is all there. So that'll go over this side. This is a silver tone clamper bracelet. There is a mark on the inside. What does that say? Leah Sophia. Leah Sophia clamper bracelet. I don't see anything wrong with that except my fingerprints. Are all the stones there? Yeah. All the stones are there. Sorry, I'm getting too spread out here. It's a pendant necklace with a green pendant. Oh, look at that. 3 peas in a pod. 3 peas in a pod, and that is, Yeah, that's okay though. That's fun for a little kid. That's wearable. The cloth thing. I do not like cloth in jewelry. Okay. Nice silver tone, black enamel and rhinestone. I see a stone missing right there. So that goes over into craft. This is one of those paper bead bracelets from Africa. The stretch is okay on it. So I'm gonna call, I mean, some people would consider this craft, but you know what? It's in great shape. The stretch is good, so that's gonna go over into wearable. I don't see any marking on here, but this is wearable as well. If you like these little pins. What is this? This is a brooch. I do not see any markings on that one either, so that's good. I'll put that over there. Here we have a, looks like we have an amethyst inside one of these little pendants. They jiggle. And you have a chain. Yeah, that's all good too. This one has a lobster clasp. So this truly is a wearable and costume. I thought it was going to be, really, I thought it was going to be more, craft. Whenever I see the word craft, it always makes me nervous, but at the same time, we're doing this for fun anyway. All right, so here we have a cat. Nothing wrong with that. What is this? We have just some miscellaneous beads on a chain. Okay, this has a little bit of discoloration. That's craft. Brooch. I already see a missing stone right there. Is that the only missing? Nope, there's a missing, oh, there's quite a few missing stones. So this is a good one to harvest things, or you can put your own stones in there and make it good again. So that's another craft piece. Okay, well, there you go. That's a missing one. That's craft. This is a heart inside this little pendant. It's that on one side, and then you got a faceted piece of glass on the top. Looks like that is, yeah, that's all good shape. That's in good shape. I'll put that over there. Well, here we have another brooch. Are you missing a stone? You know what? It does not look like it's missing any stones. All the stones are there, but they don't look good. So that's gonna go in craft. That's the earring with the earring aside. Here is the brooch. Okay, we'll put that over here. This is another brooch. Oh, this is a brooch pendant. That's pretty. Any missing stones? I don't see any missing stones. lot to look at there. I don't see any missing stones right now, so I'll pull it in closer. I think that's a good one. So that'll go over there. So here we have, I guess this is a scarf slide. You are missing 2 stones there. Here we have, this is stone. I do not know what kind of stone that is. That's just a pendant. That just needs to be put on a chain. So what do I call that? Do I call that wearable, or I'm going to call that craft? Because you have to do, it's not automatically wearable. I'll put that over there. Actually, I see a few of these. These are little stones. This looks like it would be quartz, and that looks like it would be amethyst, and they are, yeah, they just need to be put a jump ring and a chain on it. I'll put those together with those. There's some more stones. This is a black stone. Yeah, that's cold. This is a pendant with gold stone. And you have your chakra colors there. Do you see any more of those colors? Oh, there's quite a few. Oh, there's quite a few. Look at these. Oh, there's another one. Check it out. You have a heart. All these wire wrap. There's 4 wire wrapped ones. And this one actually has the, okay, well that's kind of cool. That's marked Avon. All right, that's a little heart. I'm not gonna open the package, but that looks like it'll be wearable. I'll put it over there. The craft. More stone. The pendants. Oh, you got your little mermaid ring. This is great for a kid that needs to be cleaned. You know what? I was gonna say I put this in costume, but I think I'll put it. I was gonna put it over here into the craft, but I actually think that once you clean it, oh, it's a sterling. Check it out. What does that say? This could be sterling. But you know what? It doesn't matter. It's in the jar. But I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to put that over there. These are Crown Trifari clip-on earrings. Put those over there. Another Avon piece. Oh, okay. Wow, okay. This is gonna be, this is so dry. The beads are good, but if I were to pull that, it's gonna snap and go everywhere. So that's craft. Here is the match to that pair of earrings. These are clip-on as well, and they're marked Avon. Okay. All the stones look like they're there. So that's wearable. Oh, look, here's another one of those crystal things. I'll put that in the pile. And here is another pin. If you get this jar, be careful because it doesn't have a protection on it. But that's wearable. I'll put that over there. Just a silver tone necklace with beads, and yep, the clasp is there, so it looks like that's wearable. Gold tone ring with like CZs. Decent shape, that's wearable. Love your life, love your heart. That's gonna be craft. American flag. I would put that in craft, but I'm gonna put it in wearable just because everybody needs to have a flag if they don't have one already. This one is that's Avon too. There's a lot of Avon in here. Mother. Okay, I see a lot of gold tone loss on here. So somebody would have to fix that up. I do like the mother of pearl with the mother on it, but the gold is kind of wearing away. So I'm gonna put that one in craft. You have a little bangle. Oh, okay, time out. There's some, I see some rhinestones over here. Anyway, let's go back to here. This is a pair of earrings. And it looks like, yeah, there's missing a couple things there. So I'll put those over in craft. The glasses, where did it go? Go over in craft. BSK. Oh, look. All right, so these are the earrings to it, but this one is also missing stones. So that'll go over in craft. Here you have a little donkey, and yep, there's one rhinestone missing right on the back. So that's gonna go into craft. Come on. Hang on a second. Stone, stone, a bead and a stone. Come on, get out of there. All right. This is why, seriously, this is why when you guys see me doing regular videos, I always put the earrings on cards because I'm forever dropping one earring because sometimes they're so dainty. Are these? Well, these are craft because, I mean, you could wear them like that, but it looks like, oh yeah, this is missing all the stones. You can make your own call. These are missing all the stones. That's craft. Sorry, I'm going on a screen here. What is this one? There is a tag. What's the tag say? Is that Premier Designs? I don't know. It sort of kind of looks like it. I can't tell. a woman of excellence who will find for her worth, wait a minute. A woman of excellence who will find, question mark, that's kind of weird. A woman of excellence, comma, who will find, question mark, for her worth is far more than precious jewels. I don't like that because, I mean, the sentiment is fine, but I don't like the grammar. It's not a proper sentence. That's nice though. That's a pretty, and so when you put them together, you see that. And the back side, what does the back side say? Oh, Proverbs 31:10. Proverbs 31:10. It's still not grammatically correct. I stick by that. Jingle. AJMC. That's American Jewelry Manufacturing Company, I think. Jingle, jingle. This, I would put that in wearable, but it is so much of the gold is worn off. So I'm gonna put that over in craft. This is just not a very attractive bracelet here. Maybe that's for charms. I don't have any idea. It's marking on here. Interesting. It says 925 Thailand. That's interesting. You know why? Thailand produces some phenomenal sterling. This one is not phenomenal in any form or fashion. It's just there, and maybe maybe that would be good. Like again, if you wanted to use some big charms, it's great for charms, but that could be sterling as well. So I'll put those two there. Here we have two pair of earrings. Oh, look at that. They did that. These two just hang. These are brand new, it looks like. There's one. Yeah, and there's the other. Well, these are definitely wearable. Really pretty blue. So those go in that pile. Elephants. This is a puffy elephant. Has a long chain. Long chain. So this is probably a, wow, probably probably a 28-inch chain, I'm thinking. So that's wearable. And then you have, God, these small pieces, I drop them all the time. And there you have another charm. So I'm gonna put that over in craft. So that is it, guys. That's what we have. We have this lot of wearable. This lot is craft. And then you have these things these are all stone that you could use them for craft, or you could use them, you could put them on a chain and put them as wearable. So that's those. And then these, I don't know if they are sterling or not, but they're in there anyway. And this one, let's see here. What's missing? A purple stone. This one. Oh shoot, there's another stone right there. They're coming out of here. So here's one. One of the purple stones that would be in there. Doesn't matter, it's still craft. a blue stone. Wasn't there a scarf clip? Oh, you know what? I put the scarf clip on the wrong side. There you go. Is that the blue stone? Bingo. Okay, that's the blue, that's what, one blue stone that goes in there anyway. But it is, flag goes over there. I hope I didn't mix my piles up like I just did that one. But that's the blue stone for that. And then what do we have here? I don't know what these are. I don't know what they're from. But I'm gonna put them over here in the craft section. They'll go into the same box. I don't know what that's to either. But anyway, yeah, so that's it. So if anybody is interested in this lot, definitely the first person to put a comment below that says, I want to buy, or I want to, you can say, I want it, whatever. It's the first comment, not an email, but a comment. And then I will invoice you via PayPal. If you have not registered with me and you want to buy these, then there will be a link pinned to this video that you need to fill out that registration form and send me a few pieces of basic information, and I can invoice you via PayPal. So anyway, that was kind of fun. I don't normally do these, but it was fun, and I am going to be having a sterling silver video coming out probably tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But I want to do a sterling silver haul video for you, and then I will be doing auctions on my live auctions on my channel on Friday and Saturday of this week. So definitely, if you're around, please feel free to stop on by, subscribe, share, comment, all that kind of stuff, and make sure that you look for my upcoming auctions. All right. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. All right, so for the folks who might be interested in this lot, I figured I would go ahead and test these two just to see if in fact they were or were not sterling silver. I will be using the 18 karat gold acid with this. And first thing I will do is just do a little mark. I'll do 2 marks. One on the band and one on the top, just because. Yeah, I don't believe that is. And this is the one. This is the one that was marked 925 Thailand. I will do. Well, this one won't even scratch. Yeah, that doesn't even scratch. Try and try and try and try and try. Let me try one of the loops. Yeah, I don't think these are. But again, this whole jar was experiment, and you know, curiosity killed the cat. Nothing is. Yeah, nothing. So they're both wearable, but they will be over in the wearable side. But at least that was the results for was it sterling or not, and they are not. All right, there you have it. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.